guys, thanks for stopping by my channel. It's your girl Slay LT, and if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel today. And today we have a quick haul that I'm doing from Shein. I have already done the first haul on Shein right now. For this particular haul from Shein, but I have not taken the garments out of the bag, so you've probably seen these pieces before. Right now I'm just pumping out a whole bunch of videos that I have a lot of stuff coming through, a lot of content that I need to get done. So right now I'm behind in everything, so I am just trying to get everything basically organized so I can start working in my area. And I have a lot that I have to do, so I want to clear some of this space out and go ahead and get these stuff uploaded for you guys. So this is a Shein haul. I am in my glam room today, so it is a little, whatever, but we're here, so we're gonna go ahead and make it do what it does. How about that? So with that being said, let's go ahead and get right into this video. The first thing that we have, like I said, this is a Shein haul, and I don't know if you guys have ordered from Shein before, but I love to keep these bags, these Shein bags. I know it's weird, but I love to keep these bags because they are good for like wigs, like projects that you're working on. They're real convenient. They zip lock. They're, they don't ravel or anything like that. So I always keep these bags. I have like hundreds of these bags. So don't throw your Shein bags away, girl. Listen, sis, these things come in handy for a lot of stuff. So I always keep them, in a box. And anytime I need, any type of Ziploc bags for anything, I just grab one of those. I got a bunch of them, so don't throw them away. Just keep them. You can always recycle stuff. So the first thing we have in this haul, this is a, what is this? This is a musical rock festival shirt, and I really, really love this shirt because it's kind of like that rock out type shirt. You can wear this to the park. It does come over the neck, so it kind of has like that neck effect, and then it comes down in the middle. Now, me personally, I probably won't just wear a bra under this. I will wear like maybe a tank top under this and some jeans. So I just thought that would be super cute, and you can wear these paired with some sneakers, or you can go mid-casual with some heels, maybe a nice cuff, a sports jogger cuff. Would be cute with that and some heels, but I really, really thought that was cute, so I just went on and purchased that. The second thing I have, this actually I forgot I had, but this is, what is this, leopard print? Tiger print? This is a tiger print bodysuit. Must have, and I bought this in an extra large, so it definitely fits now. I had on a bodysuit yesterday, and I thought I don't know, for the life of me, I thought that it would not fit me, but that thing was hugging to the T. It was hugging for the gods, honey. It was very, very, very cute. And yeah, so this should be cute as well. I have a lot of joggers that I can wear with this, so that will definitely pair well with a lot of pieces that I already have. The next piece I have, y'all, I'm just in love with these Ziploc bags. Don't laugh at me, but I know I have issues. This is another jogger, and y'all know I'm the jogger queen. I love my joggers. Love, love, love my joggers. This is, actually, this is bigger than what I thought it was, because I thought I wouldn't be able to fit this right now. This is a double XL, so I'm probably going to be able to wear this now. So this would actually be super cute with some heels now, and either a nice bodysuit or a nice tank top. That would definitely be cute. I'm gonna try that on after this vid. So the next piece we have is, and I must say that this Shein haul that I have was pretty dope. Now, I did get some shoes with this as well, and I think I showed you guys in the other video the shoes. I'll go ahead and link that in the box below. But if you guys are subscribed to my channel, guess what? You will get it. Oh, I'm sorry. And you have your notification bell turned on. You will get that video when the video posts. So make sure you guys do that as well. This is just a plain shirt, but I really love the print of the shirt for some reason. I don't know why. I just love unique items. So I went on and purchased that as well. I'm probably not going to post the pricing for each of these because I'm just trying to just run through these right quick. But I will post the actual pictures of them, so they may actually have the price on this. I take that back. And sorry guys, I am a little stuffy today. My allergies are acting up. So I believe I have something similar to this, but this is another jogger, and I can actually wear this now. This is, y'all know I love my joggers. This is 2XL, and this is like a I want to say this type of material. It's not a linen because it doesn't stretch except for the bottom and the top, of course, but it's almost like a silk linen, if that makes any sense. But this is actually super cute, and I can wear this now, so I will probably pair this well with something. Maybe wear out on a night on the town. That would be super cute. It actually pairs good with that last shirt, but I think it'll look better with like a tank top. The next piece I have, I gotta get some more hangers, y'all. It's another jogger, and this is also 2XL, which I can wear now. It has the cuff at the bottom. I do have to get a steam iron because this is also that same type of material, like a silky type material. Y'all know I love my joggers. I love my joggers, sis. Love it. And this, well, this is actually the last piece. I forgot I even bought this as well. This is this last piece is a denim jogger. This thing is so huge. Why is it so big? This doesn't even stretch either. This is huge. Why did I buy this so big? You know what? I'm probably going to end up... Oh, this is a 2XL. And Lord knows it's huge. It's huge and it's heavy. But it has like the rip part of the jeans here. And the cuffs at the bottom. Listen. I'm talking about it's huge. But my big thighs can probably fit in these right now. Or may even not fit. Who knows? But I'm definitely going to try that on as well. So that's pretty much it at this haul, you guys. That's my Shein haul. I did show you guys this before, but this is me actually taking them out the bag and showing you guys what it looks like against my body. But that's pretty much of this haul. That's it of this haul. I do have some more stuff that I have to show you guys in another video. So if you do see this outfit again, it's because I'm just shooting out some videos. So I have a swimsuit haul that I want to show you guys. That's going to be in the next video. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can definitely see all of my videos. Turn your notification bell on. Thank you so much for all of you who have supported my channel thus far. And if you have not already subscribed, go ahead and get that subscription started. It is free. Share the videos with your friends. I definitely will appreciate it. And the more I get these videos out, I'm gonna start doing some more different things, some makeup. You guys will see this glorious face here transform with some makeup on. I am working on my skin. I have horrible skin. I have eczema real bad, and psoriasis. So a lot of times you will see me most of my videos without makeup because I do not want to go through the whole itching fest with makeup on my face. But I do wear makeup from time to time when I go out. So yeah, just wanted to give you guys a little backstory. That's going to be another story time that I will give you guys in the future. But for right now, I just want to go ahead and get all these videos out because I do have to move a lot of this stuff out. I have a lot of new stuff coming in. So that's pretty much it. I will see you guys in the next video. Again, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's your girl Slay LT, and you guys have a wonderful day. And always remember to be awesome and do awesome things. Talk to you later. Bye.